Hey, it's Tommy Anderson and Tom's Model Build, and my next little project I have here is the Vought F4U Corsair, the famed naval fighter for both the Marines, the United States Navy in World War II, and the Korean War. I had come across a 1979 model of Monogram's Corsair at a secondhand store for $1 or something, and the box was pretty well smashed up, but the model was still okay, and so I picked it up, and I had it on my stash shelf for a while, and I was at Hobby Lobby, and I saw the 2017 version of the Revell F4U Corsair, which is a repop of the Monogram. Back in 1986, Monogram and Revell merged, and they had became Monogram Revell models for a while until they were acquired in 2018 by a company in Germany, and the models were released under Revell's name again.